What's goody, baby? Hey you, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dessa. You spell that L-A-D-E-S-S-A. So we are all on government lockdown, but we gotta eat and we gotta drink. Look at my baby. Come over here so they can see you. Wait. Look. There she go. That's my baby, Legend. I got her a couple weeks ago. So, as I was saying, we gotta eat. So, we are going to make some, what is this? Petite Black Angus sirloin, some rice, which is already cooking in the rice cooker, and some broccoli. So, of course, now that we're all listening to the CDC, I'm still going against the grain and explaining to you how you must wash your meat. All right, so I've already washed my hands. I'm going to have some winking owl. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon, and I'm gonna use this thing that I got courtesy of Amazon. Hold on. It's a wine decanter. So you pour your wine into this little strainer here, and it's supposed to filter the wine and give you a nice, full, robust flavor. All right, so we are going to do that. Pour that in here. Oh. Cheers to getting to know yourself better because you're stuck in the house. All right, so let's open up our meat so we can ranch it off. All right, so I'm gonna slice her on up. I just defrosted her, still a little frozen, but it'll be okay. All right, so we are going to pan fry this in a cast iron skillet. It's all nice and greasy. We're gonna warm it on up. But first I wanna saute some red onion and grate a little garlic. So I'm gonna put the meat into a bowl and let it kind of marinate just a little bit while I do that. And I'll be right back. All right, so now all of my little areas cleaned up, wiped up. I'll cut up my red onion. What you looking for? going to let our little skillet get hot. And I'm gonna grate up some ginger and squeeze a little lemon in there. Yeah. What? Oh. So we're gonna let it simmer, do its thing, and then my broccoli is just some steamed broccoli in a bag. So I'll show you now a plate. So I've decided to flip this into more Asian inspired meal rather than just steak, rice, and broccoli. So I had some leftover lumpia that I made fresh. And so I'm gonna fry up these last little 4 pieces. And so we'll have our rice, we'll have our steak, our broccoli, and our rolls. Okay, so let's plate. All right, so we have our rice. Oh, let's make our dipping sauce. So this is actually a matcha teacup, but since we're Asian inspired, we're just gonna mix our stuff in here. So I'm going to use this lumpia dipping sauce. I do not know how to pronounce it. I'm not even going to try, but it's a little spicy. So we're gonna put a little bit of that in here. It has more of a vinegar taste to it. And then we're gonna use some hoisin sauce. And then we want just a little bit more bite and add the garlic chili sauce. I'm just taking a little fork. Mix her on up. Here is our rice, and nice and ready to rock and roll. All right. So I'm just gonna scoop it up. So here is our meat. Let me bring you in a little closer. All nice and tender and flavorful. All right, we're just gonna take our broccoli fresh out the bag. All right, we got our broccoli. Going to get a little bit of the juice from our sauteed meat. Just gonna sprinkle a little of that on. All right, and then we're gonna take some parsley flakes for garnish. Just gonna sprinkle. What? You need to eat your own food. What do you want? Go eat. I love her so much. I never would have thought I was a dog person. But anyway, so we're going to take our lumpias and just plop those. Where's my spoons? Just pop those right on each side. And there we go. Bon appetit. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please do what the people tell you to do. I know it's hard because we all grown and hard-headed, but just do what the folks tell you to do. Stay inside, stay 6 feet away from your people. If you feeling a little tightness in your chest, hard to breathe, you're coughing, go see a doctor. And I love you. I wish you nothing but wealth and health and goodness, and taking this opportunity to just kind of tune into you. And hopefully after this is all said and done, we'll be healthy, wealthy, and wise. And yeah, always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are going to hurt our backs. Dragging all them bags like that. Go forth, eat good. Try not to have a quarantine body after this is over so you can slay. I'll see you next time. Bye.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me.